Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something pretty useful in SAP, actually, how to easily add free items like GIFs or samples to customer sales orders.
Yeah, it's a neat way businesses, really any size, can enhance that customer experience.
Definitely. And our sources zero in on this specific SAP function called remises in nature.
Right, which, basically translates to free of charge goods, or sometimes people call them in-kind discounts. It's about giving something extra.
So the mission for this deep dive is to really nail down the simple steps, how you add these free items as well as sub-items in an SAP sales order. Where do we start?
Okay, so the process kicks off right when you're creating a sales order. Transaction VA01 in SAP. Standard stuff.
Right, the usual order screen.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And your first move is just entering the item number of the free product. Put it right there in the main order, almost like it's a normal item being bought.
Okay, so it just looks like another line item at first glance. But how does SAP know it's free? How is it different from something they're paying for?
That's the clever bit. So on the very next line, right below the free item you just put in,
Yeah.
there's a column called POSUP. P-O-S-U-P. It stands for higher level item.
Okay, POSUP, higher level item.
And in that column, you type in the item number, well, the line number really, of the main order item, the one the freebie is connected to.
I see. So you're linking it, like saying, this free sample goes with that product they just bought.
Precisely. You're creating that direct link.
And the source mentioned hitting enter after putting that number in the POSUP field is, like, really important. Why is that?
Yeah, hitting enter is key. That's the trigger. It tells SAP, okay, process this connection I just made, and what happens next is kind of cool. It's automatic.
That's the automatic classification bit you mentioned earlier.
Exactly right. SAP sees that link you made with POSUP, and it instantly recognizes that sub-item as a release on nature, a free item.
And it assigns a specific category.
Yes, in the standard SAP system, it automatically assigns the item category type TAN, T-A-N-N. That's the system's internal code for, this one's on the house.
Huh. That seems pretty efficient. Just link it with POSUP, hit enter, and bam, SAP knows it's free and tags it TAN.
Pretty much, yeah.
Now, the source also brought up something about an item category group called NORM, N-O-R-M. How does that fit in?
Right, good point. That's a small but important detail. For that automatic TAN assignment to work smoothly, the free item itself, the material master record for it, needs to belong to the item category group norm. That group usually covers your sort of standard stock items.
So if it's some weird promotional item not set up as norm, this automatic TAN thing might not happen.
I might need some configuration adjustment, yeah. But for typical freebies or samples drawn from regular stock, norm is usually standard, and the TAN assignment just works.
Okay, got it. So let's recap quickly. It sounds like basically two main steps. One, enter the free item code. Two, on the next line in the POSUP field, put the line number of the paid item it relates to.
Yep.
Hit enter.
Crucial step.
And if that free item is set up in the norm item category group, SAP automatically flags it with the TAN item category.
You've nailed it. That's the core process. It's designed to be quite simple.
It really does sound straightforward. So for you listening, you've now got the basics of adding these remises on nature, these free items as sub-items in SAP. It hinges on that POSUP field link and the automatic TAN assignment, usually tied to that norm group.
And it makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How could you use this? It's a simple tool in SAP, but strategically.
Yeah, like what?
Well, imagine using it to slip in a surprise thank you gift